If you are holding XRP, I have a massive video update for you. As you can see, cryptocurrencies have been dumping quite violently as of late, and I warn all of you that this was a possible scenario. It was rate cuts, and we also had a China-US deal that the market was looking forward to, and it didn't happen. It's probably going to happen very soon. However, because it didn't happen on the very exact day, the markets did not like that and sold off. In addition to that, the markets were also pumping in expectation of multiple rate cuts this year, which is still a possibility, but Jerome Powell came out and said, oh, it might not happen. And on top of it, the markets were pumping because of rate cuts, and they cut rates, and guess what happened? A buy the rumor, sell the news event. And what it does, we've seen the market sell off quite aggressively just the past couple of days, is the market is shaking out all of that froth and speculation. And now the market, after this sell-off, I think, in my opinion, can go up and can continue this bullish journey that we are on. If we take a look at XRP here, we can see very clearly that XRP has swept the lows here, which is a very bullish sign. We've also continued to maintain this support. We've not broken down this low here, which is actually extremely bullish, by the way. And that's just last week, we had a very nice pump all the way to 260 for XRP. So that was quite impressive. So we had a couple of moves down. This was a correction, and we've been correcting for quite some time. XRP has been correcting since the beginning of October. We've been crashing. We've been chopping around, but we've maintained this support. We maintain this support, which is a very bullish thing. You want to be a buyer at support. I'm personally a buyer at support. Me and my community, we've made a fortune by trading this volatility. And on this past weekend, we made a fortune by one of the calls on a trade alert set for Aster. We ended up buying Aster. If you guys want to get access to everything that I'm doing as a profitable trader, I made over $100,000 just yesterday. You can copy those exact moves by joining the VIP tier in my WAP. And the best part about it is you guys can try it for free. So XRP has held support despite the sell-off. And if we continue to dump a little bit further, that would not be out of the question. It would be normal. And I would not be afraid or worried, because if you take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still holding support. And I think Bitcoin is probably going to travel to around $114,000 soon, which if that is the case, I think XRP is probably going to soon be at $3. So I'm waiting for XRP to get to $3. We're probably going to consider trimming some profits, but understanding where we are at in this crypto cycle, we are in the fourth quarter. They are cutting rates. There's about to be a China-US deal. There's so many bullish catalysts that are taking place. The government shutdown is also bringing some FUD to the markets, and that is going to soon end. They're not going to be in a government shutdown forever. So there's actually a lot of bullish catalysts that are on the very edge and precipice of occurring. And these bullish catalysts are going to pump the market, in my opinion, bring buyers back. And at the very same time, if you take a look at the stock market is still holding up. It's not crashing. It's actually, in fact, it was green today. The SPY was green. The market was green. Look, the SPY was up 0.2% today. The futures, S&P 500 and NASDAQ were up significantly today. So when you see the stock market green while cryptos are literally having a bloodbath, that shows you that the reason why cryptos are selling off is because it's wiping out all of the leverage, all of the froth, and it's just pure manipulation at this point. The manipulation is becoming very easy to see. So in my opinion, XRP, we are seeing a very nice bounce so far. In my opinion, I am bullish. I'm not looking for more downside. And personally, as an investor, as a trader, I'm looking for upside targets, especially in this month of November. This is going to be the bullish month, ladies and gentlemen. November is going to be the bullish month, not December. December is when you have all, especially after Thanksgiving, you have all of the trading desks. They are going on vacation. Hedge funds, they're going on vacation. Institutions, they are going on vacation for the holidays. And that's when you see all the volume drop. So the volume is here, ladies and gentlemen, right now. It is beginning, and it's going to get absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys also use my trading indicator, AlgoSniper. It will tell you exactly when to sell before every crash. It will tell you when to buy before every big move. You guys can try it today for free at algosniper.net. On top of that, make sure you guys are trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. You could trade all the new coins that get launched here, and you're gonna have the cheapest fees when you sign up using my link. They're also giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using only my link only. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.